Now, the body takes years of developing the body. This is your low Muay Thai. We like rocks. Like you every time you get off the bed, you hit the little thing in your arm. That's a joke to us. You look at you like, and I got that problem with my girlfriend. She always want to kick my butt when she does it. So, this is your Muay Thai low kick shin. Shins. This is pure shins. That's why we wear shorts. To show it this is not illusion. This is discipline and years of training you will provide to this type of matters. Okay? Now, height. Right here. With the shin. Okay? With the shin. Height. Okay, we'll try one more time. Guess no one to break, huh? Gotta switch it this way. Right there. See? Ah! Yeah! Well, anyway, you can see what happens to the way. Get the point? They don't want to break.